Good morning, guys. I'm going to be quick. Don't want to waste your time, but I found more stuff with which I believe also belong to this set, and this is the small lot here in front with Allen key which was broken off on this side. So I would like to know if this is maybe part of that, because you can see it got the same knurling effect here, all of them, and it's also got the hex at the back, and then this Allen key which was definitely broken off, you can see there, this will fit on the back there. So this lot here, if I quickly can read it to you, I will enlarge it. It is a 7/16 and 3/8. Sorry for the focus that take time. This one is, there's one that I could not find any marking. I think it's because it's something there. So maybe we can pick it up. It was definitely scarred off in a way. So I can't make out this one. This one is 1132. This one is a 5/16. Then, so this is a lot. I would like to know if you think if it is the same set as the bigger set. And then I had a comment from two guys. I think it was a Missouri old timer and a rusty old glove box, I think, I'm not sure, that mentioned I short a 5/8 in this big set. But what I found interesting on the biggest one, it can handle two. It's the only one that I have inside another size. And I'm not sure if that is probably a 5/8. So this is my next question. What do you think is that? Maybe a 5/8? It comes with the 15/16. Okay, gents, that is all. I would like to know if you have any information, you guys that use or see this in the past. Soybean farmer as well have experience of this. Okay, guys, and remember, this week we will pick the first corn, my Diorama corn. So stay tuned for that.